Let's tour the Sage floor plan by LTX Home Builders, based out of Lago Vista, Texas. The Sage floor plan is 1,731 square feet, 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Let's have a look. Inside, you're greeted to an open concept living area with a large eat-in kitchen with kitchen island, a breakfast and dining area, and the living area all opened up. You're gonna have a patio sliding door at the back to access your back patio, and lots of counter space and cabinet space in this welcoming kitchen with quartz countertops and stainless steel appliances, brushed nickel hardware. You can see how spacious the living area really is in this shot. So lots of room to arrange your furniture however you would like. Moving on, your primary suite and laundry room are going to be on one separate wing of the house. This is your primary bedroom. We do have carpet in the bedrooms. The flooring in the main areas and bathrooms is a luxury vinyl plank. Going into the primary bath, we have a dual vanity with quartz countertops, as well as a walk-in shower with floor-to-ceiling wall tile and a beautiful tiled shower pan with this herringbone pattern. This is actually a cool-toned color scheme that we have in this option at 4303 Liberty Lane. So at this point we are in the opposite wing of the house, where if you are coming in from the front door you would walk to your right, at least in this particular home of the Sage, and you're going to have all 3 of your bedrooms as well as your secondary bath in this wing. 2 of the secondary bedrooms in this floor plan do have walk-in closets, so that's really nice. And then your secondary bath also has a really long dual vanity, and again floor-to-ceiling wall tile in the shower, as well as a deep soaking tub. The real showstopper of 4303 Liberty is the additional space that it has on both sides. We did put rock in there, so this is super flexible to potentially park a boat, an RV, build an accessory dwelling unit like a tiny home. And you're right by all of the parks in Lago Vista. This was shot in one of them. We do have 9 lakeside parks included with your Lago Vista POA. Thanks so much for touring the Sage floor plan with me, and I hope to see you guys on the next video.